Dear colleagues, this year marks a special moment for the Slovenian Sociological Society as you celebrate your 60th anniversary. Over these 6 decades, it has remained a vibrant space for Slovenian sociologists through your journal, your thematic groups, and your lively congresses. From what I could read in your president's introduction, the Slovenian Congress of Sociology is renowned not only for the quality of its sessions, but also for the insightful debates over dinner and drinks in the evening. This is the part I will particularly miss this year, but I do hope there will be an opportunity to join you in another opportunity. For now, I am glad to join you online to celebrate this milestone and to congratulate all the members who have built this dynamic community of sociologists over the past 60 years. I would like to extend particular thanks to your current president, Roman Guha, for his work for the association and for his pioneering work, notably on anti-gender campaigns in Europe. I would also like to greet Kaja Gadowska, the president of the European Sociological Association, who is doing an extraordinary work in tirelessly promoting sociology across the continent. Your choice to celebrate this anniversary by reflecting on the role and legacy of your association and on sociology today and in the future is very timely. Because we live in a time when attacks on academic freedom and trends of anti-intellectualism are spreading. And on this topic, there is no better keynote speaker than Eric Fassin, who recently visited us in Novara. When sociologists read the news today, it is easy to get discouraged, depressed. The world is changing fast, and almost everywhere it seems to be moving away from democracy, human rights, global solidarity, and our responsibility to preserve nature and the planet for future generations. Sometimes we wonder if sociology has still an impact in this world. Is it worth spending months, sometimes years, conducting rigorous research when an opinion expressed on X on Instagram seems to have more impact? Such thoughts are understandable, especially at a time when populist and reactionary leaders foster distrust in science, and when hate speech and the denial of scientific evidences have become commonplace. In such moments, it is important to meet in national congresses like yours and to remind ourselves why we are sociologists, to reaffirm the values and commitments that are at the heart of our work as researchers, teachers, and public intellectuals. In these times, it is important to defend a rigorous sociology based on facts and analysis that rejects simplistic narratives and embraces the world's complexity. It is important to defend an independent sociology. It reminds us that the words of the powerful are not always the truth, and that a lie repeated 1,000 times is still a lie. It is a time to defend a critical sociology that questions rising inequalities and challenges the myth of the self-made man and the simplistic emphasis on markets and consumerism. It is a time to develop a public sociology that engages in civic debates, not from the pedestal of alleged intellectual superiority, but in dialogue with those striving to transform society and defend the common good. In a world changing so quickly amid crisis, climate change, war, rising inequality, and hatred, we share the conviction that sociology is more necessary than ever as a tool to help us to understand our world, to unveil false information and misleading narratives, and to live together on a planet with limited resources. This is the spirit that inspired the ISA Declaration, A Time for Sociology, and I invite you all to read it and sign it on ISA website. I wish you a very fruitful Congress. May you get inspired, and may you meet colleagues, share analysis, perspectives, and have fun, not only in the evening. And remember that if it is true that 2025 can sometimes feel depressing, even frightening, it is never boring. 2025 is a fantastic time to be a sociologist.